So what is up guys, welcome to HGD Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be discussing regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So first of all, we all know that Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus are by far the best flagship offering by Samsung. Okay, in 2019 both of this smartphone came and they have just amazed every single person. All of the tech YouTubers and everyone is just impressed with this smartphone. But the only thing that this smartphone is not good at is the price tag. Okay, like $800 and $1,000 this smartphone start, and just basically it is too much for a normal consumer. But guys, this smartphone features a crazy performance for the package, and also you're getting the best display. Okay, Samsung indeed makes the best display on the planet, and with this smartphone there is no exception. So guys, the only thing which every consumer thought that it is not right is the budget. Okay, for $800 anybody will opt for the iPhone rather than this smartphone. But guys, this time Samsung is taking a new step, and that is with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So they are making a budget and successor of this smartphone, and it only makes a lot of sense. So first of all, let me tell you, this smartphone will have a triple camera setup at the back, just like the iPhone 11 Pro, and the overall you're getting 3 finishes. Okay, you're getting 3 color variants with this smartphone, and that includes a gradient white, a gradient black and a gradient red color. So guys, now the question arises, and that is, what about the chipset? Okay, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is having a crazy performance, so what about this smartphone? So guys, according to the recent reports, it is confirmed that this smartphone is going to be having the Exynos 9810. Okay, last year with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 you got this processor, and you might say this is an old processor. So why Samsung is opting for this processor? Well, let me tell you, this is a cost cut, and also this is a flagship level processor. Okay, last year this was in the flagship smartphone, so it is always good to see that you are getting flagship level integration in the mid-range category. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus are great in the battery department, and there is no exception with the Note 10 Lite even. You are getting a 4500 mAh battery with this smartphone, and fun fact, that is even bigger than the Note 10 Plus. So definitely you are getting a lot more for the value. So guys, now let me discuss regarding the camera of this smartphone. And the camera of this smartphone is going to be of 32 megapixels, the front camera, and at the back you're going to be seeing a 48 megapixel main sensor and a 12 megapixel wide angle lens, and basically the third camera is going to be a telephoto lens. Again, this configuration is not confirmed yet, but again, overall I think it is a good package. So guys, now let me discuss regarding the display of this smartphone. So always Samsung is one of the best companies in the display category. It also ships the display panels for the iPhones. So overall you should expect a great display with this. With this smartphone you are going to be getting a 1080p display which will support HDR plus vision. So I think this is a good display. So guys, now let me compare this smartphone to the flagship smartphone. So I'm going to be comparing this to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, and the obvious difference between the display is regarding the bezels. Okay, you're going to be getting a way more thicker bezels with this smartphone, and also with the Samsung Galaxy A51, and I think it is not bad. Okay, for the price tag of $399 to $499, I think this is a killer deal. Yes guys, the pricing of this smartphone is going to be somewhere around $399 to $499, and I think this is the best thing. Okay, for this price tag you are getting a 32 megapixel front camera, a triple camera array at the back, the Exynos 9810 processor, a glass back, and a 4500 mAh battery, and with addition to a 1080p OLED display. So I think overall this is an ultimate package, and you are going to be getting it for $399 to $499, and I think this is definitely the best. And now let me tell you that when this smartphone is expected to launch. So guys, this smartphone is going to be launching in the first quarter of 2020 at CES. So guys, personally let me tell you one thing, that in the first quarter of 2020 we are going to be seeing a lot of mid-rangers. Okay, OnePlus is going to be coming with the OnePlus 8 Lite. Now Samsung is going to be coming with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and Apple is going to be coming with the iPhone 9. So overall I would say like all of these are the mid-rangers, and they have one thing in common, and that is the price segment. Okay, in between $399 to $499 all of these three smartphones are going to be, and I think this is a best pick overall. So guys, this is everything which I wanted to include in today's video regarding the Samsung's new smartphone, and I would say this is going to be a definite hit because you're getting so much flagship level performance in your budget. So hope you have liked today's video, and also Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope so that 2020 will bring you lots of more opportunities and make you a beautiful personality. So hope you have liked today's video. If you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.